If you want to activate eSIM on Nothing phone for a Pro, first of all, we can open Settings on our phone. Once we go to Settings, over here we should be able to proceed to Network and Internet. Then over here we can go to SIMs, and then in here we should be able to find eSIM option. Of course, make sure that eSIM is activated. If it's off, then you will have to tap on the switcher to turn it on, and you will also see a message, you might see a message, that SIM number 2 is going to be deactivated to make sure that you can actually use eSIM. So we need to enable this, then we need to go to Add eSIM. Over here we can transfer a SIM from another device, or you can just set up an eSIM if you have a QR code provided by the operator or service provider. And then, of course, you can scan the QR code. You can also enter the activation code in here, or you can scan the QR code from a photo. So if you have like a screenshot of the QR code, or if you took a photo of that QR code, then you can use it from the gallery instead. Once it is added, once you go through the setup, you should be able to find your eSIM in here on this list of eSIMs, of course, and you can turn it on or off if needed. You can of course tap on the eSIM itself in order to find some additional settings if necessary, and that is pretty much it. Also, you can find the eSIM on the list of SIMs too. Leave a like and subscribe.